Today, guys, we want to talk about using dry soda. We've discovered that soda can definitely remove coatings. It's going to clean a part up for you, and it's going to be soft, so it's not going to be damaging. Stay tuned and watch our before and afters. You can give us a call at any time at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much. Okay, so we're back and we've blasted apart. We removed paint using a dry soda blast. We were surprised at how quickly it worked. It just minutes, it shaved that paint right off. If you have questions about using soda in a dry blast cabinet or a wet blast cabinet, we're happy to help you anytime. Give us a call at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.